Cybersecurity is exploding right now. Every single day, companies are dealing with data breaches, ransomware attacks, cloud security threats, and massive cyber attacks. And because of that, one career path is getting a lot of attention in India right now: ethical hacking. And if you have searched about ethical hacking even once, you would have probably heard about one certification everywhere: CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker. But here's the problem: most students know the name, but they don't actually know how to prepare for it properly. Some people directly jump into Kali Linux, some start using hacking tools, and that too randomly. Some just memorize MCQs, and eventually they get completely confused. So in this video, I will break down a realistic roadmap to prepare for the CEH certification in India step by step. Not just to clear the exam, but actually build useful cybersecurity skills. What exactly is CEH? So first, let's quickly understand what CEH actually is. The EC Council Certified Ethical Hacker Certification is one of the most popular entry-level cybersecurity certifications in the world. The main idea behind ethical hacking is very simple. You learn how attackers think. You can identify vulnerabilities before real hackers exploit them. That's why ethical hackers are also called white hat hackers. Their job is to identify vulnerabilities, test systems, analyze security weaknesses, and help organizations improve security. And today, almost every industry needs a cyber security professional, or probably cyber security professionals, be it banking, healthcare, IT, cloud computing, or even e-commerce, government sectors. Everyone is investing heavily in cybersecurity now. That's one of the biggest reasons why many students and professionals in India are moving towards CEH. Now let me tell you the biggest mistake most beginners make. They directly jump into hacking. They install Kali Linux and Metaexploit. Watch random YouTube tutorials, but they don't understand the basic fundamentals. And honestly, without these fundamentals, cybersecurity becomes really difficult, because ethical hacking is not a movie style hacking.